What's up YouTube? It's your boy Truck L. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your GoPro camera into a backup camera, alright? Stay tuned. This is the GoPro Hero 5. You have to get the GoPro Hero 5 and up. If you get any GoPro 4, 3, 2, or 1, it will not be able to be compatible with the quick app that you could download from Google Play or the Apple Store onto your phone. In order to connect your GoPro Hero 5 and up, so that way you could use it as a backup camera. Even though I've been driving for 10 years and I know how to back into a dock, there do come certain situations where it's good to have one of these cameras in order to help you back up into tight spaces. Think about when you have your car, and before there was cameras, but when they installed cameras in your car, it makes life easier when you parallel parking. So it's kind of the same idea. When you get to tight spaces and you don't have no assistant or there's nobody to help you, you could put one of these in the back of your trailer and help you back into the dock safely. So I'm about to show you what it looks like when it's hooked up and how to set it up, right? As you can see, this is actually a piece you can use for your headband, but I put it on my DOT bumper and I moved it to the left, and then I have this piece right here and then the GoPro, and all you gotta do is simply put the GoPro in, as you can see that. Push this in here, just like that. And that is not going anywhere. It's gonna stay in place, and it's gonna work fine. And I also use zip tie. I had to use 2 for extra support, but I have driven on the highway with this and it did not fly off. It is stable, it's not going nowhere, and it's extra secure, extra tight. So let's check out the footage. So I already downloaded the quick app, and I already signed up so I could be able to connect my GoPro to my phone, the Hero 5, and you can do the same when you sign up. It's a very simple process. And then you go to control your GoPro, and then you click join, and then you'll be able to connect. And once connected, this is going to be the view on my phone of what the GoPro look like, and this is the actual view of the GoPro. I hope this video helped you stay safe out there. Thank you guys for subscribing, and if you haven't yet, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also give this video a thumbs up, set your bell notification, and comment below. Let me know what you think, and I will catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.